हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब? अगर आप मुझे देख सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं तो राइट यो इन द चैट बॉक्स. सो आज का सेशन इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट फास्टर कैलकुलेशन. सो आज के सेशन में हम बहुत सारी चीजें करेंगे लिमिटेड टू फास्टर कैलकुलेशन. सो सो आई कैन सी फ्यू चैट बॉक्स में यो है. सो हाई की जगह यो लिख दोगे तो ज़्यादा मुझे समझ में आ जाएगा. आप मुझे सुन सकते हो, देख सकते हो. देयर इज नो टेक्निकल एरर. So please go ahead and write yo in the chat box. So we'll talk about what we are going to do in today's session just in a minute's time. Okay? So आज के लेक्चर में हम चार चीजें कवर करेंगे. सबसे पहले हम कवर करेंगे एनी नंबर विच एंड्स विथ 5 उसका स्क्वायर किस तरीके से निकालेंगे. देन विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी नंबर जिसका जो यूनिट डिजिट है उसका सम 10 हो, उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन हम किस तरीके से कर सकते हैं एट अ वेरी फास्ट स्पीड. एंड देन विल टॉक अबाउट एनी नंबर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 11, हाउ कैन वी फास्ट कैलकुलेट इट फास्टर. एंड लास्ट में एक ट्रिक क्वेश्चन होगा आप लोगों के लिए एंड विल सी एग्जैक्टली हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर एबल टू आंसर इट द ट्रिक क्वेश्चन. एंड आई विल लीव दैट क्वेश्चन टू ऑल ऑफ यू सो दैट यू कैन राइट द आंसर इन द कॉमेंट बॉक्स. ओके, सो चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस थिंग. यप, Manish is asking Vedic Maths में बता रहा हूं. So every application or every faster calculation roots are there in Vedic Maths. So definitely there is a good resemblance of whatever I will be teaching from Vedic Maths. And this session is for Maths, so please keep it limited to Maths. Otherwise we can actually take all your queries about other subjects like physics or chemistry towards the end. So all of you, those who don't know me, I am Anand Prakash, co-founder of Vedantu, and also I'm a teacher of physics. I've been teaching physics for the last 13 years, produced All India rank once, couple of times, and multiple students of mine have gone into IITs with a great rank. So this is my introduction, quick introduction, just like a faster maths, and we'll quickly jump onto the multiplications today, right? So let's go ahead and talk about the multiplication. So I will just ask and I want the answers in the chat box. Okay, 5 square. Quickly सारे आंसर करते जाओ. 5 स्क्वायर 25. ओके, 15 स्क्वायर 225. ग्रेट. सो आई विल जस्ट गिव यू 2 seconds for each. Okay, so 15 square 225. now moving on to 25 square. quickly 25 square. okay, quickly guys. Arjav, Anshul, 625. ग्रेट, इतना टाइम भी नहीं लगना चाहिए. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू 35 स्क्वायर. 35 स्क्वायर बच्चों फटाफट. 1225. अर्जव जैन. ओके ग्रेट. अनीता जिंदल 1225. ग्रेट. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू अनदर वन. 45 स्क्वायर. कम ऑन. मतलब आज के लेक्चर के बाद जिन बच्चों को नहीं भी आता है वो सब, बिकॉज दिस इज द फर्स्ट ट्रिक that you learn in Vedic Maths or faster calculation, and after this lecture everyone will be as fast as what Arjav was. So 45 square. great Arjav. So 45 square में आप नहीं बता पाए. So Anshul 2025. great. 55 square. yes. 55 square. come on. Arjav, yes, great. 3025. So most of the answer you have given. Great. So bachcho, now there is a trick behind it. So we can do all these at a very fast speed, and there is a trick behind it. So we'll just go ahead and talk about that trick so that every one of you are able to solve it just like that. So let's go ahead and understand exactly what is the trick. Whenever we write any number, so let's take a number 15. And I'm talking about square. So the trick is that whenever this number we have 5 at the end, इसका स्क्वायर हमें पता है. 5 का स्क्वायर होता है 25. We'll just write like this, and whatever the number written on the left hand side which is 1, I will multiply 1 with a number which is just ahead of it. In this case it is 2. So this answer will be equal to 225, and this is the right answer. Similarly, if I talk about let's say 65 square. now 65 square में क्या होगा? the trick is 5 का square will write over here and it will be equal to 25, and 6 will be multiplied by a number ahead of 6, which is 7. So it will be equal to 4, 2, 2, 5. So it is as simple as this. Similarly, if I ask you, now once you know this, what will be the square of 85? If I talk about 85 square, what will be the square of 85? Quickly, bacho, what will be the square of 85? Great, Tejas. So it will be equal to 25 at the end, and 8 will be multiplied by a number ahead. So 8 multiplied by 9, and therefore this will be equal to 7225. So 7225 will be the answer of 85 square. So everyone got this trick. So now any number which ends with 5, you should not make a mistake, and you can calculate it as fast as, in fact, faster than the calculator itself. Okay, so great. So all of you are participating, great. So let's go ahead and actually see 995 का square. बच्चों 995 का square कितना हो जाएगा? Quickly. 995 square will be equal to what? Awesome. 109. No. 109925 nahi hoga. Yes, Yash was the fastest one to answer it correctly. I think Yash, you have just missed one number, 10. So I think Malik is the fastest one to answer it. So obviously 99 multiplied by 100. So this is the number 99 multiplied by 100, and the last digit will be equal to 25. So it will be equal to 990025, and few of you have missed one single zero. So therefore the answer is 990025. And see, even the bigger numbers looks very easy once you know the trick, and that's the basic about this faster or turbo maths, that once you know the basics, then everything will become very easy. And then this episode and in this series, every Saturday I will come with lot of tricks, and what we'll do is at the end, until unless you practice those questions, you will not master them. So at the end of the session, you should take up lot of questions and practice it. So that will make you command on these particular topics, and these are very important for any school Olympiads, even the JEE or NEET exams, because it helps you calculate faster. Okay, great. So let's move ahead and we'll talk about another trick. So now we'll take up a number and we'll see whether you are able to calculate it as fast as what we did over here. 13 multiplied by 17. Can you calculate it faster? Very fast, just like 15 square or 25 square or 55 square. Okay, great. Nilimani is the fastest one, 221, and lot of you are following it. Ganjan and Goita, Samran, Anshul, great. Bacho, so obviously the answer is exactly, if I actually go ahead and write down the answer, it is equal to 221. And let's go behind the trick. What happens over here? Now, just like the 15 square, any number, 15 be up, if you look at 15, the trick was same as 13 into 13. So yes, this is all Vedic mathematics. So clearly you see here, the n numbers was the sum of these digits, which is at units place, 5 and 5 is 10. Here also, the sum of these two digits, 7 and 3, it is equal to 10. And whenever the sum of unit digit is equal to 10, the trick is same. So what you do in that trick, you will simply multiply the last two digits, 7 and 3, which is 21. Here we multiplied 5 and 5, which was 25. And this was multiplied by a number ahead. So therefore, what will happen? This will be 225. And similarly, 13 into 17 will be equal to 1 multiplied by a number ahead, 1 into 2. And the last digit will be, last two digits will be 21. So did you get this trick or not? If you got it, we have a lot of questions. So you have to just do as fast as you did 95 square or 15 square or 85 square. Okay, write yo in the chat box if you got it. Awesome. So now let's go ahead and let's do, we'll do more examples, obviously, Arjav. So let's go ahead and do a lot of more calculations. 26 into 24. quickly बच्चों, 26 into 24. 26 into 24. Awesome. Samran, great, great Samran. Komali, Yash, Ganjan, Malik, Manish, Nilimani, yes, everyone, great. So obviously what happens is, again, if you look at the trick, 6 into 4 is 24, and because 6 plus 4 is 10, and the tens digit is same. So it is very important in this trick that the tens digit must be same. So here it is 2 and 2, and then 6 plus 4 is 10. So you can apply this trick, and therefore it will be equal to 3 into 2, 6, and therefore it will be 624. Let's go ahead and do another question. 82 into 88. Come on. Come on, bacho, everyone. Be fast. 82 into 88. No, 424. Amit. Yes, it is. Pratyush is the fastest finger. Great, Pratyush. Samran, Arjab, Guita, Yash. Awesome. Ranjit, Nilima, Fun, Jatin. Awesome, great guys. It's so great to see your enthusiasm. So a big round of applause सबके लिए हो जाए यार. मतलब इतने लोग participate कर रहे हैं, इतना enthou दिखा रहे हो ना आप लोग. तो एक big round of applause to all of you. Just quickly एक जल्दी से ताली बजा दो, एक ताली का वो emoji डाल दो इस पे. Everyone, please, for each other. Awesome. Manish is the first one. Great. चलो. I want everyone to awesome. Now I can see lot of claps. Great. And it is for you guys because it is great. Maths को अगर हम enjoy करने लगे ना, maths is not boring if you start enjoying it. So we have these tricks at this stage of your life. If you master them, then suddenly what happens is you get a huge command on your calculations. So if you are in junior grade 6 to 8 or 9 10th, then you move to 11th and 12th, it will help you lot in chemistry, especially physical chemistry. बहुत calculation होता है physical chemistry में. चलो, great. चलो, next question. 73 into 77. Quickly, 5 seconds से पहले बोलना है. 73 into 77. जल्दी. 7 into 8, 56, 5, 6, 2, 1. Yes, great. Gohita, Nirmani, Pratyush. Awesome. Everyone, great. I really like the enthusiasm. So, 11 into 19. Now, let me see how many of you are giving me correct answer. 11 into 19. $11 into 19. Okay. See, बच्चों यहाँ पे एक गलती कर रहे हो आप लोग. Okay. So, yes. I can see lot of correct answers, but there are few who are committed mistake. So I will just talk about that, bachcho. Now 11 into 19. When you talk about 11 into 19, then 9 into 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, and 9 into 1 is 9. But we'll not write 9. We'll write 0 9 because it has to be 2 digits. Because we are taking a base of 10. So obviously it has to be 2 digits. And then 1 multiplied by a number ahead, and therefore it will be equal to 209 and not 29, because few of you wrote 29. So it cannot be 29, of course, 11 and 19 hai. So it has to be 29. So let's do few more questions. We'll go ahead and यहाँ पे करते हैं. Let's take few more questions. 31 into 19. Quickly, बच्चों. 31 into 19. कोई बात नहीं उत्कर्ष, everyone is new here. So for all those who are new, please subscribe the channel so that you get lot of information what is happening, what and when is happening. And this channel is dedicated to maths right from 6th standard to 12th standard. And this series, Turbo Maths series, is for faster calculation, and we'll do lot of puzzles as well as we proceed in this particular series. So 20-minute series, 20 to 25 minutes, where we do lot of puzzles. Okay. Great. I can see a lot of answers. So 31 into 19 is 1209. Okay. 6289 no. अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, पहले हम लिखेंगे 1 और 9. So we'll write the last 2 digits 0 9 and then okay. My bad. 31 into 39. My bad. Okay, all those who wrote 1209 is wrong. Chalo, 31 into 39. Now exactly 31. Now you are writing the correct answer. So question was wrong. Obviously your answer was right, question was wrong. So 0, 9 and then 3 into 4 is 12. So it is 12, 0, 9. So this is how you calculate any number whose last or unit digit sum is 10 and the digit at the tens place is same. So whenever you have this type of number, you can multiply it. For example, let's take a series 21 into 19. You can do 22 into 18. Now you can do 23 into 17. Oh, sorry, 21 into 29, 28, 23 into 27, 24 into 26 and 25 into 25. So whenever you have these kind of numbers, you can always have the multiplication. For example, 21 into 29 will be equal to 609. Here it will be equal to 16616. Here it will be equal to 621. See, it becomes so easy. 246 and it will be equal to 625. So you can see that we did not take much time and therefore Ramesh, क्या question है आप पूछ लो. So you can clearly see that you can be as fast as this. So clearly, once you know the trick, there is nothing, you need to practice them because you will forget these tricks. Okay, awesome. So now let's move to another trick. So did everyone get this? You write yo in the chat box. अगर सबको समझ में आ गया है, then we'll talk about multiplication of any number by 11. Okay, awesome, awesome, awesome बच्चों. And great. लास्ट का ट्रिक है जिसका मैं आंसर कमेंट बॉक्स में चाहूंगा. इसके बाद एक बार हम ये कर लेंगे. लास्ट में ट्रिक क्वेश्चन है विच आंसर आई वांट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. ओके, हाउ कम 6? बिकॉज देयर वाज 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय अ नंबर अहेड, देयरफॉर इट बिकेम 6. ओके देवेंद्र, जब भी मेरे पास नंबर 21 into 29 है तो ट्रिक इज विल राइट 9 into 1 which is 0, 9 and 2 into number ahead of it which is 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. Okay, now let's take I will just show you exactly what we do. So let's take 24 into 11. Now whenever you have this kind of question, the trick is very simple. What you do is you separate these two numbers. You write 2 over here, you write 4 over here, and the middle number is always the sum of 2 and 4. So middle number is 2 plus 4 and you will have 2, 6 and 4. This is the answer of 24 into 11. So yes, so obviously this is the trick. What you do is you separate these two numbers and you simply, what you do is you simply write down the so last digit, sum of these two digits and then the first digit. So this is as simple as this. So let's go ahead and do lot of questions around this. Okay, 23 into 11. Quickly बच्चों, चलो. हर क्वेश्चन में आपको 10 सेकंड से ज्यादा नहीं मिलेगा. इनफैक्ट 5 seconds. Yeah, we'll do that. Devendra will do 38 into 11. 23 into 11. Yes, very simple. 23 into 11 is 253. 3 को सेपरेट किया, 2 को सेपरेट किया, बीच वाला जो नंबर है 2 plus 3 which is 5. So it is equal to 253. Great, everyone awesome. Now next question. 42 into 11. Quickly, 42 into 11. Yeah, gamer, come on. Arjav, Samran, great. Jatin, great. Yes, now everyone is doing great. So 462 because 4 को separate किया, 2 को separate किया और बीच वाला number is 4 plus 2 which is 6. So 462. Great. Now the next question. 63 into 11. Quickly. 63 into 11 is 693. 63 into 11 is 6. बीच वाला number is 6 plus 3. Last digit is 3. So it is 693. Great. Now, let's do this. 78 into 11. Quickly. 78 into 11. Somebody was, Devendra was asking 38 into 11. So I have just given 78 into 11. Yeah, Devendra. You are saying 38 into 11. Now I have given you 78 into 11. Come on. Now, here lot of you are committing mistake. I can see clearly that you are writing 7158 and this is the trick that I took on TikTok. So I take 1 minute videos on TikTok, a lot of videos on the Vedantu Maths channel on TikTok. So definitely an endeavor wherein we try to promote a lot of faster maths calculation to a second tier, third tier students because they don't have any exposure. So now, yeah, I am on TikTok. On Vedantu Maths is on TikTok. So basically 78 into 11. Now most of you, what you have done is, let's go and see. 7 को separate किया, 8 को separate किया, and 7 plus 8 is 15, and you have written 7, 1, 5, 8. So this is wrong. Now why it is wrong is, so basically whenever you have numbers like yes, so yes, Yashwant and lot of you are correct. So what we'll do is 7, 8 will do, and 7 plus 8 is what? 7 plus 8 is 15, but we will only take the number at the units place, and this one will carry forward and we'll add it to 7. So what will happen? We'll actually write down 8, 5 and 7 and 1. So basically it will become 8, 5, 8. So did you get this? So it will be equal to 8, 5, 8 and not 7, 1, 5, 8. Okay. So I think समझ में आ गया सबको कि हमें ये करना है, इसमें कैरी फॉरवर्ड करना है, और यहाँ पे केवल एक ही यूनिट रहेगा. We'll cannot have 2 units or 2 places over here. So the second place or 10th place is carried forward and added to 7. Yeah, we'll take Arjab, we'll take cubes के भी tricks in our coming lectures. So we will cover almost every trick in the world which is there in Vedic maths in the entire episode. So in the next, so basically we'll have almost like 20-25 episodes. Every Saturday we'll have 20-25 minutes lecture wherein cover almost every trick. So now quickly we'll take few more questions. 56 into 11. Come on बच्चों, जल्दी जल्दी. 56 into 11, और next lecture में हम 3 digit को multiply करना सीखेंगे 11 में. Yes, exactly. Shivam was asking, please take 3 digit trick. तो 3 digit को हम next lecture में सीखेंगे. Okay, so great. 56 into 11, 6 को अलग किया, 6, 5, 1, 11 होता है, carry forward हो गया, and therefore it is 6, 1, 6. Awesome. Now the last question of the day, and that is the trick question which will come. So I hope everyone enjoyed today's lecture, and every lecture will be around 20-25 minutes. So we are about time, and I think the trick question for the day is you have to write the answer in the comment box. Okay, so bachcho, I will actually go and answer everything in the comment box and see how many of you have answered this trick question. So the question is, when 30 is divided by half and plus 12, then what is the answer? 30 divided by half plus 12, what is the answer? This is the trick question, and with this I will like to end the lecture. But before that, I want everyone to clap for each other, clap for, you know, the enthusiasm that you have shown. So before we say bye to each other, I want everyone to just give a big round of applause to everyone, each one of you. Chalo. And I really enjoy taking these kind of classes. This is just a part-time hobby of mine because I really love faster calculation. Okay, but answer should be in the comment box. यहाँ मैं देख ही नहीं रहा, chat को नहीं देखते हैं. Okay, chalo. With this, I would like to say bye to each one of you. Okay, Rudra is asking that 6 months waste, what to do in class 11th. Oh, bachcho, 99% of the students, in fact 90 is a very fair number, I would say. 90% of the students in class 11th, they waste their time. So आप अकेले नहीं हो, बहुत बच्चे हैं, but I keep on taking these kind of sessions on 11th. चलो बच्चों, bye bye, tata, take care.